My name is Garrick Hileman. I'm a research fellow at the University of Cambridge, and my claim to fame is that I was one of the first academically trained economists to take an interest in Bitcoin and blockchain technology. Is Bitcoin an asset or is it more of a currency? Well, today I think the data suggests that it's primarily being used as an asset, as an investment vehicle. And so the comparison to gold and the name digital gold is getting a lot of favor with regards to how to describe Bitcoin. And I think that's a fair point to make. In fact, I think the term crypto asset is actually more helpful for describing what Bitcoin is today than cryptocurrency, which implies it's being used predominantly for payments. It is used for payments, but with transaction fees running as high as $20 per transaction, that makes using Bitcoin for something like buying coffee prohibitively expensive. So will Bitcoin ever become a currency? It certainly has the potential to become a more widely used currency, especially with the rate of growth in the user base. With tens of millions of people using Bitcoin already today as an asset, in the rate of growth, if that were to sustain, it wouldn't take long for Bitcoin to get to a user base of 100 million or more. And when you start to look at a user base of 100 million or even a billion people holding something that can function as a currency, that commonality, that common asset that everyone's holding, it could make it much more likely for people to start to use it not just as an asset, but actually to settle payments with each other. Having said that, the transaction fee situation would need to improve, and with new technologies like Lightning, for example, that may be on the not so distant horizon. The volatility of Bitcoin is another thing that would maybe prevent it from being a widely used currency. And here you could look at the advent of stablecoins as another potential solution to Bitcoin's volatility problem. So Bitcoin, may have a future just as an asset class, just as digital gold, but it certainly is possible it could become a currency, or that something else, some other cryptocurrency steps in and becomes a currency for people.